Identity and Access Management, that is IAM, is central to enterprise security, ensuring the right people have the right access to the right resources at the right time. Its two pillars are authentication and authorization. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Traditionally, authentication has relied on passwords and static biometrics like fingerprints or facial scans. However, in today's AI driven world, these identifiers are increasingly vulnerable as they cannot be changed if compromised. This has led to heightened risks of fraud, identity theft, and privacy breaches. To address these challenges, IAM is evolving towards behavioral biometrics, also known as biological behavior detection. By analyzing unique traits such as keystroke dynamics, mouse movements, gaze patterns, and micro expressions, IAM solutions can continuously verify user authenticity. Combined with multi-factor authentication, this layered approach strengthens enterprise defenses against AI-powered cyber threats. The global IAM market, valued at $22.9 billion in 2024, is projected to reach $34.3 billion by 2029. In India, the market ranges from $185 to $750 million today and could grow to $600 million to $1.5 billion in the next decade. OEMs like Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, Okta, Ping Identity, CyberArk, SailPoint, and ForgeRock dominate globally, while Indian players such as Zoho and InstaSafe are making strides with DPDP compliant solutions. IAM's future lies in multimodal, behavior driven algorithms that deliver dynamic trust scoring, regulatory compliance, and fraud proof security, reshaping digital trust across BFSI, government, healthcare, and enterprise sectors. Let's look into today's headlines. Trump tariff leads India to suspend postal services to US from August 25th. Citing changes in US customs rules, the Department of Posts has announced a temporary suspension of all postal services to the United States from August 25th. The suspension of postal services comes against the backdrop of escalating trade tensions, with US President Donald Trump recently imposing a 25% tariff on India, along with an additional 25% penalty for purchasing Russian oil, effectively raising the total tariff burden to 50%. WhatsApp's writing assistant to help users refine tone and clarity of chats. WhatsApp is testing a new AI-powered writing help assistant that will allow users to refine messages before sending them, making communication more polished and effective. Introduced as a beta update for select Android users, the feature enhances tone, grammar, and structure while ensuring chats remain encrypted and anonymous. Similar to Gmail's AI writing assistant, the tool generates improved drafts based on minimal user input. The assistant runs on Meta's private processing system, which is fully encrypted and anonymous. Google Pixel 10 series to offer WhatsApp calls over satellite. Google's Pixel 10 series will apparently become the first smartphones to support WhatsApp audio and video calls via satellite. The tech giant has announced the development with a video on X showing a Pixel 10 receiving a WhatsApp call while the satellite icon appeared in the status bar. This update follows Google's recent expansion of satellite features on the Pixel 10. With WhatsApp calling, Google appears to be pushing the Pixel 10 into mainstream satellite-powered communication. Apple in talks with Google to power next-gen Siri with Gemini AI. Apple is reportedly in preliminary talks with Google to integrate its Gemini AI into Siri, aiming to revamp the voice assistant by next year. The iPhone maker has lagged behind rivals like Google and Samsung, who already offer advanced AI-powered assistants. While Apple continues exploring in-house AI models, it is weighing a potential partnership to deliver more natural, contextual interactions. The news boosted Alphabet's shares by 3.7% and Apple's by 1.6%, signaling market optimism about Apple's AI shift. XAI plans Grok 3 release in 6 months. Elon Musk's AI startup xAI has open sourced its Grok 2.5 model and confirmed that Grok 3 will follow within 6 months, with Grok 5 expected by year end. Musk emphasized transparency in AI development, mirroring moves by rivals like Meta's Llama and Chinese firms Qwen and DeepSeek. However, Grok AI faces controversy after leaking private user conversations and producing offensive outputs, raising serious privacy and safety concerns. The move intensifies competition in the open source AI landscape. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.